Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by turning on dictation in system settings. This gets the feature ready. Open keyboard, enable dictation, and pick your microphone so macOS hears you clearly. Once done, choose enhanced or offline dictation when available. This improves accuracy and keeps audio local. Make sure your language and region match how you speak, because pronunciation models differ. That's why selection matters. Now, assign the dictation shortcut if you want quick access. We'll use it in the next steps. Press the shortcut to start dictation and speak naturally, while saying punctuation like comma, period, question mark. You can control formatting with voice commands. Say new paragraph to create space, capitalize to fix case, or delete to remove mistakes quickly. For numbers, speak digits or formats, for example, 123 or form 1099, so Mac OS transcribes correctly. If a word is uncommon, spell it out. This helps the engine learn context and boosts accuracy for later sessions. When you finish dictating, review the text and make manual edits to catch homophones or context errors. Add repeated names or technical terms to contacts or text replacements so future dictation learns them. Make a habit of saving drafts often. Voice recognition improves with consistent corrections. If things go wrong, first check your microphone and network, then update Mac OS, toggle dictation off and on, or reset the speech cache. That single troubleshooting step often fixes persistent misrecognition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.